So this will be the ending to the Fiero series. And I really want to say thank you to all the viewers out there, all the subscribers, everyone that has been a part of my channel. The Fiero was, I really don't have any regrets buying it. I have no regrets doing the restoration. We set a budget for it, but to do the Fiero correctly, we went way off budget. But in the end, with what I could do, I thought the Fiero came out absolutely incredible. I know it might come to a surprise of why I put the Fiero up for sale, and you could tell by the title of the video, I did sell it. It is going to an incredible home in Nashville, Tennessee. You'll see at the end of this video the Fiero arriving at its new home, and the person that transported it was Richard from the beginning of the Part 1 series. So Richard actually takes the car, brings it from Myrtle Beach to Simpsonville here. After the restoration, he took it from Simpsonville to Nashville. So really quickly, why in the world did you spend all that time to restore the Fiero, all the money? I mean, there's Part 1 through Part 11 series, Part 10 series. So much work was put into it. I have no regrets with the time and money that was spent on a Fiero, because this is my dream car. Now, I don't know if you've seen any of my DeLorean series videos. There's 4 of them on my channel, but I have dreamt of owning a DeLorean since I was in middle school. I was a DeLorean, and I still am a DeLorean nerd with a little bit of insanity. But I mean, I got in trouble in school drawing DeLoreans. My first car was a Datsun 200SX. Why? Because the front end looked like a DeLorean, and obviously back in high school, I couldn't afford one of these. And what ultimately led me, or gave me the opportunity to buy the DeLorean, is while I was watching restoration videos of other YouTubers, I found a YouTuber who was starting to do a restoration on 2 DeLoreans that he had found in a barn. So that inspired me to start looking. I'm like, if I can find a Fiero, obviously I can find a DeLorean. Do y'all see the sign that's hanging up on the sign back there? Now that's a replica sign of the dealer's sign, but those are almost impossible to find. I found the last one over in England. I actually had that sign shipped over there from England. But this is the reason why the Fiero was put up for sale. By doing the restoration of the Fiero, starting that project, it eventually led me to my dream car. And as you'll see here in a minute at the end of the video, Tanya is absolutely ecstatic with her new addition to her Fiero family, an 87 GT Fiero Gold that matches her 87 Coupe. So to Tanya and Dale, thank you so much for trusting me and trusting the journey from here to Nashville. And to all my subscribers and everybody on this channel, we did a complete series from start to finish and to her new home. Now, one of the things you'll see me do next is I get the Fiero, we bring it to one of the local service centers here in Simpsonville to get the transmission service real quick before Richard picks the car up. So here we go to the next scene. So this is it. I'm gonna go ahead and sign off. Guys inside are gonna take care of this real well. They're familiar with Fieros. I'm not jacking them up on the side. Headlight motors are replaced. They work out. That's amazing how much smoother and quieter those work. Got the sunroof, painters taped up. So that way if a monsoon happens, just in case that thing's not aligned correctly with the new gasket, it should be good to go. I'll take the tag off here in just a second. Yeah, I miss this thing. A lot of work. Oh my gosh, so much work was been put into this thing. All right. Bye-bye.
This way.
This way.
Oh my God.
That's your second one.
Yeah. Oh my goodness. Hi.
You did.
Oh, you got another one?
This is our family. Hi.
This is Tanya.
Welcome to Nashville. Hey, welcome. Thank you for driving.
Hey, and I'm Dale.
Hey, Dad.
Thank you so much.
You bet. You bet.
Wow, this
What
is
a
awesome.
transformation, huh?
Yeah, I know. I picked it up and you did a great job.
You saw what it was. Yeah, I had that.
Really?
No, I was adding to. They were basically made by the same people.
Sure did. How do you feel, Tanya?
I'm
Receiving-
elated.
Here,
I'm just.
get over in front of her.
I'm so elated. Welcome. Thank you, Chad. Oh, so perfect. It's like brand new. Oh my goodness.
Are you thankful for all of Chad's hard work?
I'm so thankful and all the videos to prove it. Oh my goodness. It's just amazing.
What do you say to Chad?
You're the man. You're the big man, Chad.
All right, great job, Chad. This is awesome. We're gonna enjoy it. Signing out now from Nashville, Tennessee.